Hapdeng kajing tel slap kajing lek buram khaddu ya tirang ba barim gejelau Dr. Donwa Detwelson lapang la pendep hamadan student Ciao Shilong mentakas ngi kekasan tarik unairu ajar pesan. U Dr. lapang baju kot kemu mahe ula klat no hakat al tarik unairu ajar pesan ha Bethany Hospital Shilong ha kerta ba kendai pendus nem. U mahe lapang la job prasin kum MLE kanongpo bat lolong betrang ba kejela mekraya la bunsin lakai u house nem kat kendai spa at pakundai bat naga kambelas ngi naklong yeng ke baduk wa Shitom Malay School LP School ha umsning bat wa pas ke matrik na Gomen Bhoi Shillong bat la pendapat ia ka dikri na ka St. Anthony College Shillong hadu bon dapoi se kedan kum betrang ba kejela ha ker jing im sain pertei jong u house nem kat kendai spa sanupra ulaya poika bagi kong amethyst black ula job MLE neng kong house nem kat kendai spa nyopuar tertel bara syarem no sisen house nem kat kendai spa kendai pelai ndai ula job biang hau kat kendai spa kendai pupra hadu ba un syong thai house nem aja kat pra ula long terang ba kejela house nem kendai puar barwa penkha ya ke Bhoi district hau news nem katem Bhoi ka jukot eu kumukpa ka Bhoi bal orang ru nong elam keling Persia kum Kristan ula day nong elam ubat tebit ba ha ka bal yo ru ya kedan Doctor of Divinity house nem aja sao bat kumu politician uday nong kren ubat tebit ba Khun jong Dr. Donwa Detwelson lapang uba baluk al bla ulong ba ipa jong iju bang bahaban bam jing bam Bhoi kum ka Japana bat Kiwei ka bedai ka Rukom gi bam gi pai ba Ktien Bhoi uang ba Ktien Phira jong ipa jong gilong Trei Shitom long ba Lehrit bat day ban sya skri nei de ban long usyakri.
Today I stand before you not just as a son of a great leader but as a child of a man whose life was a testament to hard work, humility and deep love for his people. My father, Dr. Donwa Detwelson was born into a simple circumstances. He began his journey as a road walker and through pure determination and hard work rose to become the chief minister of Meghalaya, not once but 5 times. But to me and to our family, he was never defined by his titles. He was defined by his kindness, his wisdom, and his quiet strength. My father once told me, son, the measure of a man is not how high he climbs, but how many people he helps climb with him. These words shape not just my understanding of him, but what our true leadership means. He taught me that leadership is not about power, it's about service. I watched him walk through the villages of Bhoi, not as a politician seeking votes, but as a son of the soil, listening to the heartbeat of his people. He never forget where he came from, and he'll never let us forget either. Before politics called him, my father was a teacher in Rukom. Not even when he became chief minister, he never stopped being a teacher. He believed that education was the greatest gift you could give someone. I remember him saying, knowledge is like a lamp in the darkness. It shows you the way and help others to find their path too. He lived by these words. He believed in the dignity of all work, whether it was building roads, farming fields, or running the government. Even in his final years as chief advisor to the government, he carried the hopes of Meghalaya with grace and humility. He never stopped learning, and he never stopped teaching either. As much as my father was a man of politics and principles, he was also about without apology, a food lover. Even if you shared a meal with him, you know his eyes lit up at the sight of a one tangsam, which is yam cooked in a barrel of bamboo, That means yet wonderful dish of dried fish and black sesame seeds that only someone with true Bhoi roots would crave with such passion. And don't get me started on this for the love of Japna, that is sticky rice. He swore it cured everything from a bad mood to election stress. He had this amazing ability to turn even the simplest meal into a celebration. Food was his way of connecting with people, of showing love, of building bridges. These moments remind us that great leaders are also human beings, find joy in simple pleasures, who laugh, who share stories over meals, find comfort in the tradition of their homeland. To the world, he was a statesman. To me, he was my father. The man who held my hand when I stumbled, who taught me to speak with honesty, and showed me true greatness lies in helping others rise. He taught me that your roots matter no matter how far you go in life. Never forget where you come from. He taught me that listening is more important than speaking, and serving others is more important than being served. There's a beautiful saying, a society grows great when old man plant trees, whose shades they know they shall never sit in. My father planted many trees, the road, the schools, the opportunities he created. These are the trees whose shade will comfort generations to come. As we mourn for his passing today, let us also celebrate his life and legacy. Let us remember the roads he helped build, not just the ones made of stones and cement, but the one made with opportunity, justice, and hope. He showed us that you don't need to be born into a privilege to make a difference. You don't need to forget your humble beginnings to achieve great things. You can stay connected to your people, your culture, your values, and still reach the highest office in the land. His office his life proves that democracy, anyone's child can grow up to lead, to serve, to make their community and state better. My father's favorite quote was simple but powerful. Work hard, stay humble, and always remember you are here to serve, not to be served. He lived these words every single day of his life. As I look out of this gathering today, people from every walk of life, from every corner of Meghalaya, from different political parties and I believe, I see the true measure of my father's impact. He brought people together to build bridges, not walls. Farewell, Pa. You may have run your race with honor and dignity. Your voice may be silent now, but your spirit echoes in every hill and valley of this land you love so deeply. A boy who once walked on road grew up to build pathways of hope for millions. A teacher who started a small school in Nampa ended up educating an entire state about service, humility, and love. You told us that greatness is not what about titles you hold, but about what the lives you touch. You touch so many lives, Pa. And to all of us here today, your work continues. Thank you, Pa, for showing us what it means to serve with dignity, to lead with humility, and to love without limits. God bless us all. Thank you.
श्रीमान चौपड़े समाप्त हुआ चौपड़े विसर्जन करने के लिए अनुमति चाहता हूँ श्रीमान चौपड़े भगवान सच चौपड़े